choke, no joke. Bring on the track. Choke, no joke, chicken choke, no joke. Choke, no joke, niggas choke, no joke.
Yeah, what's up, y'all? This is Missy Elliot, and I'm representing for Street Funk TV. You better ask somebody like, pick it, 1, 2,
What's up, y'all? We are at the Ginuwine Platinum Party at the Kit Kat Club in New York City. We don't have one. We got two celebrities chilling with Charub. Missy Elliot.
What's going on?
And we got Little Kim.
The Queen Bee.
All right. Now let's get down to business. Let's talk about your album.
Yeah.
When is it coming out? I'm waiting for it to come out.
Hopefully it'll be ready around December, the middle of December. We're not sure what the date is yet, but I mean, we coming. I just want to make it right. I've been away for a long time, and I don't want to come back with no half-ass. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
So, you know.
Not only that, but you've been doing movie roles. I saw you in The Faculty. I saw the acting skills come out. Tell us about that.
She's all that. You know, I mean, it was a movie, a small part that I did, but, you know, it was something I wanted to do. Acting is something I want to get into next.
Definitely. She got the skills. Now, Missy, what's going on? The beats is incredible. Ginuwine went platinum, and it has much to do with Missy Elliot sitting right here. Let us know something about that in your album.
Oh, man. Well, I mean, Ginuwine is just platinum made anyway, you know what I'm saying? Like, he's an entertainer within himself. Like, I just seen him on BET day before yesterday and was like, man, I came up with him and just didn't know, like, he had it in him like that. Like, I knew he had it, but just watching him live, it was, like, crazy. And, you know, we just a family. I'm here to support him. Man, we just trying to change music, that's all.
What about your album?
Oh, my album is crazy. You know, I think for a minute, you know, it took people a minute to like see a darker side of Missy Elliot, because my first album was so bright, and this album is so like got this violins and strings and stuff in it. But it's coming along now, so you know, people just see that I'm on something different. I'm far left. I'm like an alien.
Go cop that album. All right, and you got collabos all up and down. Who are you working with?
Right now or on my album?
On the album that you have out right now. Go cop that.
Okay, on the album I got Eminem, Redman, Juvenile, BG, Brat, Kim, Aaliyah. God, am I missing somebody? I might be missing somebody.
Too many people you can't even think of it. What about the next album? What are we looking forward to with Missy?
Right now I'm trying to get on Kim's album. I'm trying to do a interlude or something. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm looking for right now.
Please, Missy, no, that's my girl. She fronting right now, but we're about to do a record. It might make my album, but my album is at the closing right now, so it might not. But if it doesn't, it's gonna get out there to be a remix. And she is fronting right now.
Cancer's brewed this joint. Tell them Cancer. You a Cancer? Oh, you.
All right, Street Funk TV. We got Missy and we got Lil Kim. They doing it up at the Ginuwine Platinum Party at the Kit Kat Club, and look for her album. Go cop her album, and she got another album coming out.
Oh, and Hot Boys remix with Nas and Eve up there. Go get it.
Hot Boys remix. Y'all heard it.
What's up, y'all? This is Little Kim, and I'm here now chilling at Ginuwine's party. We just chilling. I'm telling y'all, my album's coming around December. Look for it. Queen Bee is back, baby. Representing for my man, Notorious B.I.G. Peace.
Choke, no joke, chicken choke, no joke. Choke, no joke, niggas choke, no joke.